Right, quickly going to be pouring a small gallium ingot. Has a seriously low melting temperature of 30 degrees. This has already been warmed on the hob, right here. A little bit more. Should do it. Gas off. Not even sure if this can be done. I'll be cooling it with some ice water as well. And that's quite hot. That bubble. A bit more than I wanted. Should be enough. That bowl is definitely over 30 degrees, but it's not melting yet, is it? Oh, never mind. Strange stuff. Take a few seconds to melt, apparently. Definitely melting. But will it pour? About to find out. Heat it up a little bit more. It's taking quite a while to melt. Considering. Starting to melt now. It's a very cold day today. It's winter. It's all liquid now. Not fully though. I think I should take it off now. Let it continue. Nice and wobbly. There it goes. Give it a little agitate. Strange. Very shiny though. Almost like mercury. Right, let's pour it. Didn't come up too well. It's not remarkably dangerous, as long as you don't try and eat a chunk. Right, get some ice water. See if I can solidify that thing. Look at that. Oh, still jiggly. icy water. Big chunk of ice in that. Well, plastic, rest it upon. This is just filled with ice water and ice cubes, star-shaped ones. Let that cool for a minute. Shouldn't take so long, that being freezing water. Not flammable at all. Melting temperature 29.76 degrees. Still liquid. Taking a minute to cool. Blow on it some. Think it'd be cool by now. Taking a while. Still solid, but not right in the middle. Fair enough. Yes, you can touch gallium. Skin reactions ain't that bad. Unless you suffer with skin conditions or some such. Right, let's try and remove this thing. Could just turn into a big blob. Rather find out. That's quite cold. Not releasing. Pick it out. It's a new one. Picking it out of the mold. Not so bad. Gallium ingot. Should have probably used less around the edges. Still quite nice. You can see. I can feel it melting on the back of my hand, on the back of my finger. Nice stuff. Strange. Low melting temperature. If I just left that in my hand now, it will melt into another blob. But I won't do that, since it looks nice. I'm not going to be putting this near any more aluminium. It takes quite some effort to make an aluminium bar, and this stuff will annihilate it, as you've seen, probably. Quite shiny. Look at that. Well, there's gallium ingot experiment. Till the next melting, I guess.